Yes. Okay.
Yeah, so basically the team
So we know.
Yes.
The team should have only 5 to 50 members, and this is the breakdown of all the skills needed to every individual member or a group of members. So first one is the builders. Now these are the people who are going to assemble, operate the robot with the parts that are 3D printed or we have.
I can see the.
The next are programmers. They are going to be the people who are programming the robot and coming up with new algorithms to run the code more efficiently and execute certain tasks more in a different way or even a bit better. Then there are the CAD experts who are going to be designing the new parts or parts that we need to complete our missions, and we have made them so that we can always check the parts in a virtual environment before printing them so that we can find any errors there are in the parts. Then there are the drivers who are controlling the robot during the manual period, and they need to be really familiar with the programming because then if they're stuck in a situation like the robot is not moving left or right, then they know the code, what is wrong, and then they can execute some controls that can maybe fix the robot. Then there are the fundraisers and the engineering notebook recorders. The fundraisers are the initial step of the team, which will help gather the funds for the whole team. And then the engineering notebook recorders just record the all the deals that the team has gathered together and then any profits. So now that I hand over to Anish.
Yeah, so during the match, there will be 4 total teams, and there will be 2 alliances. Each alliance will have 2 teams. Now, in each team, there will be 4 total players, 2 controllers, 1 coach, and 1 human player. Now, when the 2 alliances join, there will not be 2 human players. One of them will be removed. And there will be 1 robot, of course. That's pretty much it. And this is mostly Vicky already said it, like should
The
be
people controlling the robot should most definitely be the part of the programming team, and if they are part of the building team, that is also great. But the human players should also be a part of the building team because that means they know how long the clock can extend, so that they know where to accurately place the phone, so that the robot can reach it without entering the substation. So now we'll move on to the quiz.
Yeah, basically
Yeah,
there
what
will
is human player?
Yeah, what is
One,
Human player is the
One who
person
gives the
who puts
code.
the phones in the substation. So that's why
why
they
the
also,
coaches are allowed in the?
no, coaches are they do the to guide maybe the.
They are allowed.
Yeah, they are.
Near the match. Yeah.
Then,
You starting 40 members right next to the controls. Shouting at them. Why you have to do it?
That's me, right? Beware of the dark.
Substation where everybody's there. The phones were placed there before starting. That is outside the map. Where they are placed is called a substation. Now the human player will take one of those phones and put it in the substation so that the robot can pick it up or drag it to the pole or the ground station to keep it. So that is the role of the human player.
That's only the only place where you can.
Yes, he is the only one person who is allowed to touch the phones in the whole alliance. So
Yeah.
that's why there's only one human player, not 2 in the entire alliance. So 2 teams. So each team will have 4 players, but when the alliance is formed, one of the human players is dropped from either of the teams.
So you have to actually now take a call between the 2 teams which of the human player goes there. Wow, that's interesting. There could be a fight there also.
We don't know how far our expense as well.
That
And the
is,
coach is allowed a stick.
yeah.
How long it should be the stick?
So now
No, just go before. No, I'm not sure. Very clear now. Stay. So you are saying only 4 people from one team are allowed.
near the mat.
Only 4, out of which one is human player, one is the coach. So actually only 2.
Yes. Who are only controlling
No. Total 7 are allowed, Sai.
7
Yeah.
alliance.
आणि वेळ लागतो.
Which are the team?
आणि अर्धा पाऊण अर्धवट तरी लागतं.
3 from each team.
Yeah, 4 from one. 3 from one. 2 from one, 3 from one. Yeah, so why do we need like 2 people to control?
That you can use 2 people. It's not necessary.
The manual part will be
There's 4 total controlling people.
No, one alliance. Okay.
One alliance had 2 robots and 4 people.
2 people.
Maximum 4 people.
So if one person can travel moving around, one person has to go or something like that. Then so that means both of them. Coordination.
Each alliance has 1 coach. Sorry, each team has 1 coach. So an entire alliance will have 2 people.
autonomous coach, people don't know.
No, they don't do it at all.
After selecting the alliance, could we just practice with them?
Yes.
So you can have it like one person, if there are 2 controllers, people controlling one robot, then 1 person driving and 1 person with the controller.
Yes, that's how you can use the 2 controllers. Or you can just hand it over to 1 person. That is also possible. Any more questions? Okay. So we'll move on to the quiz. So the first question is, how many players are there in each controlling team? So in one individual team, how many are allowed near the mat?
Either 3 or 4.
Who?
4 or like 3 for the person human player is proper.
So the correct answer is 4, which are the 2 controllers, human player and the coach. The next is, how many players are there in an entire alliance, which is 2 teams combined?
7. So we have 4 controllers, 1 human player and 2 coaches.
Yes. So that represents controllers, human player and coach. Now next is, what are the skills needed in the entire system? You can also list one at a time. And it's what
Builders, programmers,
they are
controllers.
supposed to tell one. So it's builders, programmers, CAD experts, drivers, student coach, fundraisers, and engineering.
Student coach.
Student coach is the coach. Yes, captain of the team.
No, captain of the team and coach is different. I think.
No,
Student coach.
Student coach is the captain.
No,
Okay.
no. There is a role of student coach and there is a role of coach to the coach, which I do that.
So student coach is just the coach.
Yes.
Student coach is Papa. and
No,
coach-
no. That's what we are saying. It is not. Student coach is the captain of the team.
Yes, there's the captain.
Leader among
So next, and final question. What skills are required by the players in the controlling team? Just list one of them for controlation. No.
Skill.
What controller?
Like what are the the controller should be part of the building team, so it was like how far they are extended.
The other one.
Programmers, so they know how to code, how to control.
Controllers should be programmers as well as the builders, and even they should be also from the building team. So thank you.
Excellent. Okay, thank you. We had how many presentations today? 4, no? 3, 4 presentations. Excellent. So next time, the other we are not done today. We'll do the presentation next time. Okay, so doubts. What you not understood, what you want to understand. More. Who excited drivers? Should we do it now or should we do it later?
Now.
As we progress?
Well, like later when we are control the process.
first we will try, then we decide who's better.
Should we discuss?
So do you think this do it now or
Sir,
do it later?
Sir, I was thinking that first we see
I
how
can
the
Now-
program
you have a
is.
form, you can have a form for.
How do you know who is
After
good at
learning,
what?
we can
How do you know who is good at what? It should
First we'll
automatically
explore.
evolve once you start practicing. Somebody will have a good skill in controlling, somebody will have good skill in building.
Yeah,
finding out
but now we can have, maybe we can have a Google form where everybody applies to a role they want to do and then say why they think they are good for that role, maybe.
I think it is too early yet.
it's done,
First time we have asked, but see, that's what I'm saying. We all said we want to be part of engineering, but nobody volunteered to do presentation on engineering yesterday. Why? I have to force him to do the presentation. I think there were 6 people who wrote in this thing that they want to become part of the robot design, but nobody volunteered to do the presentation today. Why? I'll ask hard questions. Everything is not party time here. Not coming here to party. No. Party, what is that? It is a bonus. You got good drinks and something to eat. So you can't shirk your responsibility. You are opted to be volunteering for the hardware things that come to your presentation today. Why did anybody
We
volunteer?
finish the site.
Good. Very good, Aditya, and excellent, Raj. Yesterday you committed to make the website live, you made it live. That should be the commitment. You decide to do it, you do it. Your points there. Now there are gaps in the website, which is fine. So you should be pointing out how you can improve the website. So please point out what else needs to go on the website so that the team can finish the website.
We need pictures.
Yes.
Yeah,
We
and
need to make
Vedant
sure-
is not yet sent out.
So I just told him now, said he went to some competition, he will respond to that. So we should make him also serious. He responded yesterday, right? So we can't have somebody, one person also is not doing his job on time, the whole team will not function. If he had to share it with you yesterday, you would have that information also on the website. So he did not complete his job. He should be made to realize that everybody here has a time. We should finish our work on the time set. Because now, right now, although we have 3 months, it is in March, but actual time available will be less. Because I think December is the best month that you are available, if you are free.
Yeah.
Yes.
From January, you get busy. Correct? So let's plan to finish our robot design, at least the first design by before December Christmas holidays. And let's plan, whoever is there in the holidays, to do the actual run in the holidays of December. I need to say the run. Let's run the robot in December holidays.
On the simulator.
No. Not
Yeah,
simulator,
yeah,
actual. Actual, I'm putting a target to you all. Now work backwards. 22nd, if you want to control the robot, today you are on 3rd, so you have 20 days. In 20 days, you should be able to build the robot, program the robot, and control the robot. You have only 20 days. So now please allot yourself works. Somebody takes over building, somebody takes over programming, somebody takes over some task so that everybody can, otherwise you'll not be able to build in 20 days. So now you should volunteer to take up certain roles and see to that you achieve that what you have taken up. Suppose you say I will do programming, you have to be able to completely confidently say yes, I will do programming. If somebody says I will do machine learning, I will do machine learning. Somebody says I will do robot build, you have to come here every day to do the robot build. Robot will be here right now with me because I will be sitting with the robot. So if anybody wants to build, you have to come here every day evening to sit with me and finish the robot build.
If somebody wants to stay back, most welcome.
So please select the task that you feel can complete and volunteer for that task. We are right now, we are 11 of us here. Even if each one of us takes up one activity and does it properly, 11 activities will happen by the end of 20 days. Otherwise, it will not happen.
Can you volunteer for this?
It's up to you, but you should not remain lacking in whatever you volunteer for.
Yeah, I live very close. I can just
You can come.
And we can also,
Yes.
I think we can also make like separate groups for like all the people who want to do coding, all the people who want to do building. You can make like WhatsApp groups and like.
It's done now.
Programming group already is there. WhatsApp.
Build programming and
Well,
finance.
So if you feel WhatsApp is not easy to communicate, decide. It's all up to you. I have given you a target of 20 days. You figure out now how will you achieve robot run at the end of 22nd December. I only fix a target for you. It's up to you to decide how you achieve the target.
Also, whatever you talk, some very good points. Whoever remember whatever.
Engineering group recorders.
Who is saying, who volunteered
Who
for it?
volunteered for game or by the way?
Somebody volunteered to maintain the attendance, know who is attending. how
Pass,
many classes.
pass, pass.
Auntie.
Online.
Yeah, hours. Okay, check.
I don't know that.
So who is volunteering? Have you decided or you want time?
I think that is the
Yes,
yellow
sir.
line.
Does it have a physical?
It's on the, it's on camera.
No, I'll give it to you physical copy. No?
I think it is there in the yellow bag, no?
What are the questions? Quickly.
Sir, so by when will we have all the parts?
By Wednesday. The robot needs to be arriving on Tuesday.
Sir, how many days is the programming session? How many?
I think it is so. So one more question. Right now, it is I think thrice a week, 1 hour. So by that case, it will take too much time. Shall we increase to 2 hours a day? Otherwise, it will take
So,
15 days. to
Online,
finish,
online.
Yeah. Online.
Yes, it can
Are you all okay to it?
But now,
See, it is 8:30 now. No? So 8:30 to 9:30 is doing 1 hour and doing 3 times a week. So it will be how many will require? You know how much? It will take at least 15 to 16 hours. And will require 3 weeks. You will not be able to finish. So we can increase the number of hours. We can make it 2 hours or 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
1.5.
so 1.5 hours.
So it will be 10.
Nobody is concentrated.
So you can check this notebook. This is what we prepare.
So from what?
Or you could make like some weekend 2 hours or one day in that week 2 hours. There are 3 days in a week. You know, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I think. So any one of the day you can make 2 hours, or you can add one more day on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, or 2 hours. Otherwise, you're not going to finish the coding part.
1.5 hours on 4 days.
4 days also is fine.
4 days
So
and 1.5 hours.
you all need to decide. It's your convenience.
I won't be able. Monday.
So Saturday you can increase.
Saturday.
They also said that if you want, they can come to Goa in December holidays.
Then you could invite them when all our things, parts are arrived.
We are at least in half the process.
So.
Yeah.
So.
Sorry, I was actually yes. You don't want to wait for 5 minutes. No, this is also
Or is it recorded? Is it like a brochure?
Yeah, I mean, whatever we have done now.
We have to record it.
No, that is our matrix, what we have done.
And this was started.
We can do something like that according to the.
now वो ऐसे ले रहा था एनी के तो सबको इशू ना किया तो
And this is last year that we did.
So see the biggest problem when I don't know you tell them the problem that you had when doing this book or Viraj can tell you did this notebook right
We had no regular records.
yes
We
so
had
if
no
you do not
records.
have regular records you cannot write this book
We
you
had
will
to like,
struggle
we had to like deeply remember exactly what it was.
so are you maintaining your daily I don't see anybody maintaining that why is it so difficult for you two things are happening either you are not working every day or you're lazy to write what you're doing. Which one of the case?
English is supposed to be.
No.
No,
So every person,
Every person's activity, if you know, then it's easy, no, to come by.
That coordinating work with Venkatesh too, but everyone has to give their inputs, right?
And there is an award, by the way, let me tell you, everything has a separate award. There are, I think, 12 or 15 awards. I have one more presentation types of awards. So maybe we may not win the championship because the first time, but we can surely win 3 to 4 awards, which are different. Like there's engineering notebook, there's the best driver, there's the best code, best hardware. So many awards are there, best innovation. So at least every department that we take up, we should excel.
So in engineering, how do you write paragraph? What we did to work?
So very interesting question. There is nothing called as this or that. We saw one notebook which one Indian team had done.
They
It
have
was
even handwritten
completely handwritten.
everything.
The
And
whole
they have
notebook
done
was handwritten
print
with paintings inside.
physical painting.
Physical drawings and sketches and paintings.
It was like 100 pages long. And they painted Bharata Mata, India, like center there was robot photo attached. And then, the book was that was like this big.
We thought our book was, we did a good job. We were not even selected in the top 10 shortlisters.
Yeah.
So what like in a paragraph, it like today I did one.
These were 2
No,
years back.
there is a log. From the log, you can make your diary.
So we'll say that.
What
like,
you're doing is a log, daily log.
So we can say that we discussed on how to split
Okay, common
we
you-
reached this conclusion,
I will-
we tried this solution.
See, the point of engineering notebook is, I'll tell you what's the point. The point is, suppose we have solved your problem. The problem is to place the phone on the top of the pole. That's the problem statement. To arrive at that problem, answer to the solution, you must have done version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. In each version, you must have found some problem which is solved in the version 2. That history is important.
So like every person.
History of the versions. How you solve the problem in version 1, how you solve the problem in version 2. That documentation is important. It is not important that in the version 11 you solve the problem. No. How do you reach version 11? The journey between version 1 and version 11 is the journey. That journey is important in the textbook, in the notebook. So how do you reach that version?
Why everyone is to see the
It is not required. I'll tell you why it is required. For example, he is now creating the version of solving this one. If he has to know how it was solved, how will he know?
So
Then he
we
can
can
go to
use
the diary
it.
and find out that he solved the problem on this day.
We can implement it.
Yeah. That is
See,
why we
yes,
do.
you can reuse code from that the whole lifting is learning from past. So that the whole lifting part is here.
Yes.
Something like that.
Lifting was there.
Lifting
No.
means
Whole there.
no, there is no full lifting here. This is FLL. This is 4 years ago.
No, he's saying we can use the part of that code.
See,
Whole
there is a
lifting.
whole lifting here. Actually, whole.
That was, I think that's a mission. Yeah.
Some mission maybe.
Because like hitting with a hammer. Right.
That is different. One.
Hit a place with a hammer.
Yeah, correct. Correct.
So that's why.
That was small object, no? That's astronaut.
This is 4 years ago. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So everything is clear, right?
Yes.
So please select your roles tonight. Put in the chat and let's start working. We have only 22 days. 20 days. to finish the report.
But that was. I think so, but we submitted it, no? We did only one, I suppose.
We are falling a little short of money. Now I think that's very short. So please share your presentation with the group, everybody. We will please share.
This one.
In the group. Yeah. Yeah, I will share the drive link. Please put all the to that drive also. You want something?
Good session.
Yes, yes. Good, you triggered me. So that we had.
It's a-
Is it okay?
Is there a snare?
This is working, right? Design design को printing का type पास आ so आज शब्द कैसे है logo बचता है वाले का
Part planning concept with the launch of the
असं on track
also the ball box.
काय कोडिंग केलं तो कोड should speak so problem क्या था so if he is not there then somebody else will be difficult so this is so maybe second year Akash decision like let's go to Java so I spoke to him
And that's why it's
confidently you can do it with job there's no problem last 4 years my team is doing professor the only problem with Java is everybody at least 4 people in your team should be able to do it it can't be 1 or 2 to fall sick or something happens then who can do it criticality is लेटर गेला अकरा तारखे कॅम्प असा आपल्या बसमध्ये 2 मुलगे आणि एक टीचर कॉम्पिटिशन नी कॅम्प जोडला कॅम्प फुल कम्युनिटी आता नेक्स्ट वीक Some here every day will be meeting now. Come here. Wednesday, work it comes. So we will make another WhatsApp group for building or build team on the WhatsApp. Everything will be awesome.
Here's the poster. Yes, sir.
If you're not there,
generic number 5. All of it.
Go build a company management. This is the motor, this is the gear. Reduction. Yeah, motor. No gear. You can remove this and change the gear ratio. The gear ratio mentioned in last 1:5. 5:1. 5.2 is to 1 ratio. So this gear ratio is 5.2. It changes gear ratio.
Sai, yes. No, not Sai, yes.
ना वो फिक्स आहे काय काय करू नका असं नाही करत.
That's what my, but I use Sai.
तयार करतात हे.
That's what my Wi-Fi.
This is costing us $200. So each one.
Pranav, I think we should stop the meeting and end the recording.
That's fine.
Normal, that's what
He's saying.
Also,
And
also.
the site. Put that to the.
What I have said.
Contact. आम्ही घेतो
What is your birthday?
आता तुम्ही workshops थोडी करपाक बसना काका because we have to concentrate on this. एक दोन करा. Because we have only 20 days to you are the heavy lifters in the coding part. Start
My
so let us start with
birthday is,
So, wrong base color.
should have finished by now.
You take it and you say block it. Base color.
We are confident. ML part ke log
Good color.
Have you tried it?
but yeah, like.
And the code color, that's all. The code don't know. You code color.
No, it's fine. So that's what I thought. No, he is
No
also fever.
motor.
He is also in fever.
Was $45.
I love it.
Okay, let's check what.
रे मोठं होतं ना और एवढी वो बिल्ड अप रे मोठं आपल्या वो ओल्ड है यूज मैंने आपको दिला वो फ्री नहीं लागता इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल
I get it.
अवेलेबल ना व्हाट इज अन ना sponsorship price is 70,000 किती झाला एक लॉस झाले पुरा
So let's keep sponsorships in but
Obviously, everybody is there.
तुमचं बरं आहे तुमचे ओरी आसाम कोण गेलं तू गेला
But nobody buys it because they have some people not to buy it. He doesn't. Oh, wait, yes, yes. Yes,
ना ये तो
He has made a conversation which now has 800,000 users.
कुछ भी
I've been thinking since yesterday.
बारी बारी
not prepared. Yes.
What's
that?
Very safe.
I want
अरे तो होना क्या बात इतनी ऊपर थी रिव्यू है तो वाला टेक्स्ट उसे आधा नहीं
Yeah.
रिव्यू मत दे तू मुद्दा ऊपर ले लो
I want, but I can't. I want, I can, but I mustn't.
it's wanting to eat or drink what is there
I want, I can, but I mustn't.
That was
He is like a figure.
to FTC for a little. One day, section and one time to the law. Yeah, that's the complicated then the one day to section.
बड़ा कर लो जरा
Well, Venkatesh's looked at me only when he was small, with just text. Venkatesh. Must similar, must similar.
Height is same.
No, not quite, how many years?
एकदम तो दिया
One guy his height is same. He wears glasses. Face looks same. Is it? No, he's a bullshit.